Say hello, Joelle. Did you get a new fun toy? Is this your exerciser? Oh, it's fun stuff, isn't it? It's fun stuff, isn't it? Are you gonna giggle for us? Show me some of the cool stuff it does. What does it do? Whoa, don't bonk your head. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Joelle. Bless you. Bless you. Here. Joelle. Joelle. Look over here. Look over here. Nunu. Ooh. Look at her stand. Look at the big girl stand. Here. Turn this way. Oh, move your little hand. Look at this thing. Joelle. Look at her little feet pushing straight up. You strong. You're a strong girl, aren't ya? Yes. Yes, you are. Say, I am strong. I am invincible. I am woman. Yeah. One more smile. Can I have one more smile? He's so big. He's so big.